Hi guys, welcome to this video. We're just going to quickly go through some of the things you can do with MaxTAF. So here we are creating a test case from scratch from a template. So as you can see, we have a number of language options. With Java we've got JUnit TestNG, and we've selected a basic template here. As you can see, we've got a script editor here. It's got all the normal functions of a script editor. And I'm just going to start typing in some code, and as you can see, there's some autocomplete functionality. So I'm just going to try and check with this test that a Google search has a title that we're expecting. So that's my assert at the moment. So the title should be this: Hello World Google search. And as you can see, we can use some of the normal ID utilities to format documents and so on. So we just ran the test now, and it's going to be a very quick test, so the preview won't be very long, but there you go. That was the test that was running on a server in the cloud, and that test is finished. So for the next thing, what we're going to do is we're going to run a suite of tests. This is just a sort of batch. So as you can see in our cases, here's one I made earlier. So here are all the cases we just saw, and they're all going to run in parallel in the cloud on our AWS servers. So here you can see these tests have all started launching. Some tests are quicker, some tests are slower, but they are all running at exactly the same time. You can see with the progress bar, this is running along very nicely. If we wanted to have a look inside, we could click on the film camera icon there on live preview, and we'd be able to see what's going on inside these tests. But just to know that there are tests running now completely in parallel, and they will be finished soon, and we'll see a report for them. Nearly done. So there we go, that's completed, and there was actually a failure in one of our tests, so let's go check a report. And here we go. So this is Allure. It's an open source framework, and you can see it has lots of graphical reporting options. So we have a number of different sort of tabs that we can use to drill down into our test failures and our behaviors and so on. So some more graphical reporting for you. And here's a timeline. So it's a very powerful framework, and should really help you understand what's going on with your testing.